Ngemuva kokuchitha izinsuku ezimbili, iManchu Toinette Olivier ibukeza ubufakazi bombuso kuleli cala obese kuphela isikhathi eside libambezeleka. Namuhla ikhiphe isinqumo lathi bonke ubufakazi obethulwe phambi kwenkantolo yeMantshi yaseMdantsane bukubeka ngokusobala ukuthi uMalema wasiqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni eMdantsane ngo-2018.
And the court finds as follows. Indeed, the inference sought is supported by all the facts contained as per the evidence presented in court, and therefore the following findings are made. You may stand up, accused 1 and 2. Accused 1, in respect of counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you are found guilty as charged. Accused 2, Mr. Snyman, in respect of counts 4 and 6, you are found not guilty and discharged.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA Eastern Cape lusamukele isinqumo senkantolo luthi isinyathelo esilandelayo uqinisekisa ukuthi uMalema uthola isigwebo esifanele.
This case has always been about making sure that we uphold the rule of law, so that people don't seem to be above the law when they do break it. So we are glad that our work has now come to this level, and we still believe that we still have a hurdle to get through. That one of making sure that we argue in court that a sentence that is appropriate for the crime that is committed.
Isigcawu sokulalelwa kombiko owandulela ukukhishwa kwesigwebo sikaMalema sizoqala mhla zingama-23 kuMasingana ngonyaka ozayo.